Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. So if you want to turn off or disable your Windows Defender, it's a very easy thing to do. What you're going to do here first is you have to locate your start menu or search menu, and then you need to look for Windows Defender. Or Windows Security. So what you're going to do is you have to tap on or click open for this Windows Security. You have to click this one, tap on open, and this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do here is tap on this virus and protection. As you can see, there are tons of options on the left side. Just click or tap on virus and protection. You will see this one right here, but you have to scroll down and look for virus and threat protection settings. You have to click this one. Now tap on manage settings and you should see this real-time protection. And in order for you to disable Windows Defender, you just have to simply toggle or turn this one off. You will see more information or what are the risks of turning or disabling your Windows Defender. But if you really want to disable this, all you have to do is turn this one off. You should see this one right here. You will be notified that you have turned off or disabled your Windows Defender. Now, what are the risk and advantage of turning this one off? Well, advantage of disabling Windows Defender, improve performance, compatibility with other antivirus, and full control over security settings. While disadvantage, of course, increased risk of viruses and malware, loss of real-time protection, and no automatic threat removals. So basically, that's how easy it is to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.